name is Louise, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a twin. So for me it's pretty easy because I already have one, but we're not, well, we look alike, but for me we don't look alike. That doesn't make sense, Louise, but it's okay. So I just filmed myself in the bathroom getting ready and getting unready. So I'm just gonna split the video in half and be like me getting ready and me not getting ready. Getting unready. Making sense? I don't know. So we're gonna start by opening Premiere. I call it Twin, but you can call it whatever you want. And you just drag your two footage that you want. Also, it's important. Put your camera on a tripod and don't move it, because otherwise it's gonna make this thing much more harder for you. And yeah, so you put your camera on a tripod somewhere, act in both settings, and then after, yeah, you just act in both settings, and after you just turn off and you can move the camera. And yeah, does it make sense what I just said, or I don't know? So I'm not gonna use sound, so I just deleted it. And so here is me getting like unready, and this one is me getting ready. So the me getting ready is much more longer than the me getting unready. So I'm just gonna do like that. Just gonna cut it a bit. Yeah, it's better if you had like the same length. But yeah. Oh, that's why, because I'm putting makeup on. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it without and see. So it's like one of the simplest effects, I think. Like, so you don't even need any effects from this panel that I just deleted. I don't know where it goes. And you just need the opacity here, and you go on this you put like your one video on the first layer, on the first line, and a second one in the second line, and you go on the second line and you just use the pen tool and you cut it in half. And ta-da! Oh, the much more hardest part is the lighting. As you can see, it's much more different in one side than the other. So we're gonna do that. As you can see here, my arm just cut. So you're gonna put like the clock here. No, not a feather. Sorry. You're gonna put the path here, and then you're gonna click here, and then just drag a bit. And you have to be careful with everything. So for example, here in the mirror. Okay, let's just. So the thing is, this video is kind of long because I took like 5-10 minutes to get ready. So I'm just gonna fast forward it and just change the things I did. And yeah. I think I'm done with the selection, the mask, and now I'm gonna change color, because as you can see, here is darker and here is brighter. This is because of the sun, which I kind of forgot when I was shooting this. And if you didn't and the sun didn't move, or that you use like artificial light, congrats, like that's much more easier for you because you don't have to do anything now. Now I have to play with colors. So I go into the effects, Lumetri, wait, what? No. And then I tap Lumetri here, and you use Lumetri color, and I'm putting in the morning, the one at the bottom, because I feel like this one is darker and this one is brighter, and I feel like the brighter is much more prettier. If you want to change both, that's up to you. I just think it's gonna be much more harder. So I'm not gonna change the exposure. I'm just gonna the temperature. I'm just gonna change the exposure and put it like brighter here, and then lower a bit the highlight. Higher the This effect is not hard. It's just taking so much time if you didn't think about the lights and if you're moving everywhere. Like if you were just sitting and moving your head, that would be kind of easier. And now my computer just decided to freeze. So once my computer decided not to freeze anymore, I'm gonna come back. So to start, my computer decided to freeze, but I already like explained everything, I think. So there's like, to summarize the video, there's 2 simple steps. The first one is that you select what you want, and by going to opacity. And the second one is you change the color if you're like me and you use sunlight, and you change the exposure, highlight, and shadow. It may take some time, but that's how you make a video perfect, or anything you're doing it. But yeah, and so thank you for watching, and leave a like and a comment, and yeah, bye.